Good morning children. Welcome to the EVS class. Children, today we are going to discuss something very much special that is very much important for you, and each and everyone is having that thing into the kitchen. Okay, today we'll study about the medicinal value of spices. Spices not only have medicinal values, but they add taste and flavor to our vegetable, and some of the spices also have beauty benefits. So today let's discuss about the beauty benefits and medicinal value of spices. Okay, first of all I will tell you about clove. Have you seen clove, children? Clove, which is called in Hindi long. Okay, I will show you the clove. Okay, see, this is the clove. Okay, it is also called long in Hindi. Okay children, so clove powder with honey is beneficial in cough and prevent vomiting, and it is also beneficial in asthma problem. What is asthma? Asthma is a disease in which the patient feels a lot of cough, chest pain and problem in taking breath. Okay children. Next spice is cumin seed. See, these are the cumin seed. We say jeera in Hindi. Okay, it adds flavor to our vegetable and it makes our immune system healthy. And jeera has a beauty benefits also. It is full of iron. Okay, and it is also beneficial in weight loss. Okay, and the another spice is fennel seeds. Children, do you know what is fennel seeds? Have you heard about sauce? When you go to the restaurant after taking your dinner or lunch, you always have mishri and sauce. That is fennel seeds. And do you know what are the medicinal value? Fennel seeds are good in digestion and they are having cancer fighting properties. Okay, and they add flavor to our vegetable and good for heart health. So what are the fennel seeds? I want to show you. These are the fennel seeds. Okay, now next spice is carom seed. Have you seen carom seed? Okay, do you know ajwain? Whenever you have a stomach ache, your mama might have given you that carom seeds with lukewarm water. It is very beneficial, okay, in stomach pain and digestive system, gastric problems, and it prevents coughing also and fight with bacteria and lower the cholesterol. Okay children, another spices is cardamom. And do you know what is cardamom called? It is called the queen of spices. Okay, the queen of spices. It has unique taste, unique flavor, and it is helpful in digestive system and also beneficial to prevent infection in teeth and gums. And it is also added to make sweet dish special. Okay children, and I would like to show you the cardamom, and it is also called elaichi. Okay, and whenever you add it in kheer, okay, it add flavor. In any dessert you can add it and it add a good flavor in your sweet dish. Okay, and another spice is turmeric. You might have heard haldi. I will show you haldi. Okay, haldi, it is called turmeric. Okay, you have seen, I think you all have seen and you know about turmeric. Children, turmeric is good for brain and beauty also, and it is an antiseptic for skin cuts. Whenever you fall down, okay, and get cuts, it is good for that skin cuts. Okay, and beauty benefits, you all know in ancient time people used to apply face mask of turmeric. Okay, It also makes our skin glowing. Okay, children? And next is coriander. Do you know what is coriander? Coriander is dhania in Hindi. It adds a good aroma to our vegetable and it reduces fever, and the juice of coriander is beneficial in deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin B1 and vitamin B2. I will show you the coriander seeds you might have seen in your kitchen. See, and today you have come to know the medicinal value of coriander seeds. Okay, and your mama also use coriander leaves to garnish the vegetable, and it adds a good aroma and taste in your vegetable. And next is fenugreek. I will show you the fenugreek seeds. See, children, and this is called methi. Okay, and I know most of you like the vegetable of aloo methi. Okay, and the seeds are used in treating diabetes and lower the cholesterol level. Okay, and also lower the cholesterol level. Clear, children? And other spice is asafoetida. Okay, it is also called hing in Hindi. Okay, do you know hing? I will show you. This is also called hing. Okay, children, and it is good in digestive issues and stomach ache. If you feel stomach pain, you just dissolve a pinch of hing and apply near your navel. You will get relief from stomach ache. Okay, so today you have studied about the medicinal value of spices and beauty benefit of spices. Okay, children, so the class is over. In the next class I will discuss new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.